Hey everyone, we're here at 405 Tractor in Edmond, Oklahoma, located conveniently right off I-35 and Waterloo Road. Today we're taking a closer look at a customer favorite, the TYM 474 cab tractor, a powerful, compact workhorse that delivers big performance in a mid-sized footprint. This machine is powered by a Stage 5 certified 4-cylinder TYM diesel engine, putting out a strong 48.3 horsepower and 35.9 PTO horsepower. That's utility tractor performance, packed into a more maneuverable frame, perfect for everything from medium-duty farm work to landscaping and property management. Routine maintenance is a breeze thanks to the one-motion hood release and tool-free side panels, giving you quick access to the engine for daily checks and service. Step inside the climate control cab and you'll find intuitive controls right at your fingertips, including a dedicated PTO lever that lets you manage implement speed on the move, and a dial to raise or lower implements with precision. Out back, the Category 1 3-point hitch boasts an impressive lift capacity of up to 2,689 pounds at the end ball joints. Plus, there's an external position control lever, letting you fine-tune your attachments from outside the cab, saving time and boosting versatility. Need more control for power implements? The 474C comes equipped with a rear PTO rated at 540 RPM and a standard remote valve, so you're ready to handle digging, slashing, tilling, or spraying jobs with ease. A 9-gallon fuel tank combined with a fuel-efficient engine keeps you working longer between fill-ups, perfect for long days in the field or on the job site. Despite all this power, the tractor keeps a compact footprint, just 131 inches long and 54.5 inches wide, weighing in at 3,607 pounds with the cab installed. That makes it easy to maneuver and trailer when needed, without sacrificing strength or comfort. The TYM 474 cab is built for the serious operator, reliable, versatile, and ready to work when you are. Whether you're running a small farm, managing land, or tackling heavy-duty property work, this tractor delivers value and performance you can count on. Come see it for yourself here at 405 Tractor in Edmond, or visit us online at 405tractor.com to get a quote, schedule a demo, or explore financing options. We've got aggressive pricing, flexible financing, and top-notch customer support to get you in the seat and out in the field. Call us today at 405-792244. Let's get to work. Only at 405 Tractor, home of the Tractor Boys.